Well, this is probably my last video in 2023, and I have to say Happy New Year in advance and a Merry Christmas, guys. In this video I'm going to show you the newest shopping mall, which is really amazing, and they just opened it in the middle of the Bangkok. Let's go and check this out. So this mall is called Emsphere. They just opened it at the beginning of this month, and also finally they opened the second branch of IKEA in the heart of the Bangkok, because the IKEA actually has only one branch which is located really far in the Bang Na area, and finally they made this one here, which is a really great idea. This mall is really nice, really big, and let's go show you inside. Because of the Christmas and the New Year time, they make a really nice and amazing design inside. Feel like it's a Christmas market, but in the really warm and the nice weather. This mall located close to the BTS Prom, so if you guys wanna come here, which is always traffic around, you can easily take a BTS and come, which is the best way to get to this nice shopping mall. Anyway guys, I have some free t-shirt to give away. If you're interested, just let me know about the size and the color. I'm gonna send it to you as a New Year or Christmas gift. Thank you. There are lots of nice brands located in this mall, and also they have lots of luxury brands. So if you move to the M floor, you will see all the luxury brands. Finally, they got the Food Locker also in the middle of the city, which is really good. This shopping mall also open until the midnight, and I heard that they will open until 2 a.m. but I'm not sure about this. But until midnight, I'm sure. This is actually really good because they have a gourmet supermarket downstairs, and if you guys need anything after 10 p.m. then probably, if you can't find it at 7-Eleven, you can just come here. Let's go check more floors. They have a big area for Heineken beer, and I think they mentioned that they sell it after 2 or 3 p.m. started selling it. One of the reasons that today I come to this mall, they have also the hoops station. Wow, this is amazing. Lots of basketball shoes, which I'm really looking for it. And the basketball court, my favorite place. Anyway, they have a swatch here with new models, which I'm sure you guys know about this, as I'm a fan of the watches. So this is a new watch swatch with the black paint. They made the automatic watches made by the refined plastics. And the other famous model, which is Omega Swatch, which is a quartz model and become very, very popular at this moment. I mean, when it's released, it was really popular, very hard to find, and now you can find it a lot everywhere, in every store. Also, one more reason that I come to this mall is 55 years of the Seiko anniversary. Let's go and check this out. I hope you like the watches and enjoy this part of the video too. So as you guys know, the Seiko is one of the biggest watch brand in the world, and I'm a fan of this watch really, and I'm gonna go down and show you some of these nice models. By the way, today also I wear my beautiful Breitling Colt. This is one of the nice watches that I collected for myself. It's a 2020 model, but I'm still love it because of this beautiful blue dial. Let's go check the Seiko. So this is a kind of nice history of the Seiko, which is started in 1968 for the Sport Seiko 5 model. I'm not sure if this is the real original model or they just rebuilt it. Well, it looks so nice. These are its retro style. I'm sure this is a new products which come to the market and it's not the vintage one, but it looks amazing. I'm gonna buy one of these for sure and keep it. Then on the 1917, the Seiko 5 Sport started, the time sonar. It's a really beautiful watch. I mean, Seiko 5 is really, really popular since it started, and now with this new design, it's also become much more popular. I saw the lots of young generation, they wear this. Wow, look at this green dial, it's beautiful. If I can catch it in the camera. And now they started to have a limited edition model. Anyway guys, English is not my first language, and hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about, and forgive me if I made a mistake sometime in the grammar or in the word, in any English word. I found very interesting promotion here that if you guys shopping 300 baht, you can get the one free beer, but not from the supermarket, like from this shopping mall. This is very interesting. Thank you. It's very good advertising. And my favorite car, Audi TT. This is beautiful. To be honest, I really like the red color. And on the second floor and the last floor, before I briefly show you the IKEA, if you guys interested in sport car, just come and see these beautiful cars. Let me show you. Oh my God. MC20 Maserati. This is amazing. 911 Turbo S. Oof, and my favorite car, Rolls-Royce. This is blew your mind. Oh my God, that's amazing car. I really like the Rolls-Royce. Also one of my favorite brands after Lamborghini. And look at this beautiful Aston Martin. And without doubt, I'll have to show you my favorite brand, the Lambo, the amazing Lambo. And this is a car that I promise you guys, and I promise myself that I'm going to buy it one day for sure. No matter where, I will buy it. This is the art. Guys, this shopping mall is really beautiful and has a very amazing design. As Thai people, they mostly spend indoors, so in Thailand you can see lots of amazing shopping mall with a beautiful design. And the Land Rover Defender, wow. And finally on the third floor they have got the IKEA, which is the most famous place for Thai girls to take a picture. So if you guys want to meet nice, cute Thai girls, probably you should come to IKEA. I don't think I'm gonna show you the IKEA because there's nothing interesting about this. So let's go see more about this beautiful mall. One thing I don't like about some shopping mall and some shop is, for example, this. If I want to eat something, I really don't want to stay in the long queue. There's no reason for me to stay in the long queue for waiting long time to eat something. If I want to eat it, it should be ready right away. Thailand is a really beautiful country. I really like it. But sometimes I become disappointed when I see some things or something's happen. Now I can see tons of tourists in Thailand everywhere. And most of the places that I travel, I go, I can see, I can hear that people talk about visa and extension all the time. They mention that, oh, can I do the visa run? Can I not do it? How long I can extend this visa or not? And more. And I really wish that one day Thai government make better rules, make it changes and make this visa easier for all tourists, all the people who want to travel to Thailand and who love to live in Thailand. Anyway guys, the food court and all the food is on the ground floor when you just enter from the Sukhumvit road to this mall. And as I mentioned earlier, they also have a gourmet supermarket. They have a place, it's called Gourmet Deli, which there's a similar one in the Central also, that they cook the really delicious kind of Western food. All you can see is a Western food, it's not Thai food. Wow. And you can order it, they can warm it up for you and you can eat it inside over there. There's a small food court on the ground floor with this beautiful design. I really like it, it's very nice. You can find Korean food, Thai food, Chinese food, and you can have it here. This mall probably gonna be always busy as it's located on the really busy area in Bangkok. And today is a weekend, so probably gonna be more busy than the usual day. But I'm sure you guys can still enjoy it. Alright guys, I was planning to finish this video inside one of the nice cafe in there, but unfortunately it's too crowded and I couldn't find a bit nice and quiet area that can sit and finish and end this video. I think by the end of this year, for a holiday time, I'm gonna go to south of Thailand, probably Koh Samui or Koh Phangan, and make lots of nice video for you guys. I'm planning to buy a new motorcycle, and if I get it, so probably I'll be go, and if not, maybe I fly. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, don't forget to check the video which coming up next week, and yeah, lots of people take a photo here, so check the video on the next week. And the best present for me is to subscribe, share with your friend, and more. That's it. Once again, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys soon on the next video. Peace.